Music is the weapon. Music is the thing of the future. Music is the weapon of the future. And something tells me I'm right. So I'll be president one day. Don't worry.
In the America, as was the case with Africa, the partition and boundaries imposed on the once unbounded regions has created countries that no longer see themselves as one people, one society, and one origin. From the Caribbean through all of the north of South alike, one language was spoken. This language was spoken even with the dialect that were similar, as they were intelligible to each other. The Igbo Bantu language Arakwa, out of which all the other dialects emerge, cannot be differentiated both in sound and semantics. In this region, the Arakwa is the primary tongue. Kariba is the most immediate and more linguistically similar to the Arakwa. The further one moves from Arakwa and Kariba, the dialects become heavier. The spreading away from the coastal and equatorial generated such dialects as the Chibiche, now Chibicha. Then the latest Chipcha, and also Quechua, now Quechua, Tupi. AYMARA and ARAWUKA, now ARAWUKA. As we continue with the Native American tongues, we will encounter the underlying portion of these tongues, which represent the Europeanization of the local vernacular away from the West Indies. The animals of Oshimiri Alaike na Ogudo, meaning the Caribbean Sea islands into the continental mainland. The dialect of Arauca Caribe flourished in Brazil. It became the common tongue in the western Brazil Amazon, Bolivia Amazon, Peru, and into the coastal lands now called Colombia, Ecuador, Costa Rica, and Nicaragua, to the south of Brazil into Paraguay, Bolivia, and Argentina and Chile. The Tupi of Arauca family was dominant